Today we're working on the Saturn and we're going to replace all 4 brake hoses. The back wheels of this vehicle are drum brakes and the front are disc. We'll start with the discs in front. Once everything has had a chance to cool off, after about 10 minutes, we can start detaching the brake line all the way. Before, I was working the nut from side to side in order to clean up the threads. Now the nut has been removed and we're sliding a vacuum cap over the top to stop the leaking fluid. Then pry out the clip and remove the hose from the bracket. Next, we'll go ahead and remove the hose from the caliper. Twist off the banjo bolt. The bolt is hollow inside and channels the brake fluid from the hose to the caliper cylinder. Our new hoses came with copper washers. The washers go on both sides of the banjo bolt, with the steel end of the hose sandwiched in between. The manual tells us to torque the banjo bolt down to 36 foot-pounds on these Saturn S series. The clip is fastened into the groove. The horseshoe clip on top is flush against the bracket. It's all totally solid. And we can start working on the back brakes. Back or front, the fundamentals are the same. You have the same keyed brackets here. The banjo bolt is right beneath the 2 10mm bolts of the brake cylinder. This is the bleeder screw. Again, the copper washers go on both sides of the banjo bolt. The clip slides into the groove in the hose. The bracket has a keyed opening that keeps the hose from turning in the hole. You don't want any kinks in the hoses, and all the bolts need to be torqued to specification. Now we can bleed the brakes. All that's left to do now is put the tires back on and go for a test drive. Okay, that's all there is to changing the brake hoses on your Saturn S Series. Thanks for watching.